Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to optimize your Wings website for SEO. Improving your site's search engine optimization can help you attract more visitors and boost your online presence. So let's get started. First up, log in with your Wings account and open your website in the Wings Studio. Now from here, you have then access to various tools and settings to enhance your SEO. So once the studio is open, click on the studio icon, Wing Studio icon at the top left, and select on site, and then go to SEO. Then you'll now be directly go to your dashboard, and here on the SEO settings. So here in the SEO settings, you'll find several options to get started. You can begin with the SEO setup checklist, and here you can add the site title, description, and keywords. And make sure these elements accurately describe your website and include relevant keywords. Now, if you go back to your page, as you can see, each page on your website should have a unique title and description. So for example here, if you're going to your page, so basically you can go to the page SEO by clicking on any page right here, for example. Click on the three dots and then go to SEO basics. So from here, you can enter a descriptive title and a meta description that includes your primary keywords. So these elements are what search engines display in search results, so make them compelling and informative. So proper use of headings helps search engines understand the structure of your content. Ensure each page has a single heading 1 that includes your main keyword, and you can use heading 2 and heading 3 for subtopics and secondary keywords. Now, optimizing your image is another important step. So to do that, you just have to go back to your website, and then here select an image. For example here, then click on the settings. And as you can see, you can add descriptive alt text that includes relevant keywords. So this helps search engines understand what image is about and improve your SEO. So SEO friendly URLs are short, descriptive, and include keywords. You can edit a page URL and update the URL slug to be more descriptive and keyword rich. And also ensure your URLs are easy to read and understand both for users and search engines. Now, connecting your Wing site to Google Search Console helps you monitor your site performance in search results. So you can go back to the SEO settings, and here you'll find the Google Search Console. You can click on the Connect to Google and follow the instructions to connect that Google Search Console. Now, this tool provides valuable insights into your site's SEO performance and help you identify areas for improvement. Now, a sitemap helps search engines index your site more efficiently. In the SEO settings, click on the Go to Sitemaps button, and here you can generate sitemap. And once you generated, submit your sitemap to the Google Search Console. So just follow this on how you can optimize your sitemaps. So regularly monitor your site's SEO performance using the tools and analytics provided by Wings and Google Search Console. So check for any issues such as broken links or slow loading times and make necessary improvements. That's it. You've learned how to optimize your Wings website for SEO. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.